Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Hello everyone, it's me JB from Unique Tutorials. Today we'll find something very exciting solutions about some most common laptop problems, and today the problem I'm going to show you is when we turn on the power button and when the Windows logo appears, we get this kind of sound. So the temporary fixation is to click the escape button. So this kind of problem is very weird and it is very commonly seen on most of the laptop users. So what actually causes this kind of problem? So first, let me clear you. This problem is mainly occurred due to the fault of the laptop keyboard, which is attached with your laptop. So in my point of view, the best solution is, if you need a permanent solution, is to change this keyboard with another keyboard. Or else, if you don't want to purchase other laptop keyboard, or you want to replace this keyboard. So in my point of view, if you don't want to spend money and you have extra USB keyboard, then what you need to do is just unplug these connections of this keyboard and use a USB external keyboard. So here I will show how you can unplug the connection of this laptop keyboard to solve such beeping sound problem when the Windows login screen appears. So let's begin. First, you need to remove the laptop battery. After removing the laptop battery, you need to remove one screw that you can see here. Once you remove the screw, you can see one more screw here. That is lying here. You need to open this one more screw. Once the screw is open, you need to remove some pins which is attached with your keyboards. As you can see in the bottom line, some pins are there. For this you need a flat substances. Just like a knife or any other flat substances. Do it slowly so that you don't break it. So here my laptop is being removed. Now you can see a connections at the bottom line. So what you need to do is just pull this up just like this. So the connections is now completely removed. So you can do one thing. Since this laptop keyboard creates a problem and you don't want to replace, but still it looks odd if you keep opening it. The laptop will look very ugly, is not it? So in my point of view, just remove the connection and put the keyboard once again like before. And we will check it again whether such beeping sound arrived or it's gone. So connect your battery and let's turn power on the laptop again. And let's check whether the beeping sound is there. No more beeping sound. It's not it. So I hope in this way you can fix such beeping sound that has been occurring while the Windows login screen shows up. In this way you can fix these minor issues by your own. And if you like this video, please click on the thumbs up and please do support our channel by subscribing our channel. And lastly, thanks for watching.